folders, and today we're going to cover the Flylady system. Last time on this series, we talked about the Flylady zones. This time, we're going to talk about the Flylady focuses, and you're not going to want to miss this because this step of the Flylady system alone can help to streamline not just your home, but your whole entire life. Let's get started. We're going to jump right in with everybody's favorite day, Mondays. Mondays, we have the weekly home blessing. This one entails of 1 hour where we're going to get our home looking super duper spotless. We're going to strip our sheets, we're going to dust, we're going to sweep, we're going to mop, we're going to clean our mirrors and glass. We're going to go over our paper clutter if we have, as well as changing all of our trash bags and taking out the trash. But wait, there's more. All of this happens in just 1 hour. Every single room is done in 2 minutes or less. This is just a light surface cleaning to make the area look good. Don't forget we have the zones for those catch-all deep cleanings. Check out that video. It's up in the channel if you want to know more. But the weekly home blessing is not about getting all of the corners. However, it will help your whole entire home to sparkle and shine. Next we have is Tuesday, which is plan and play day. This day is super duper fun, especially if you're a planner. You get to plan your day, your week, your month. This includes meal planning, checking in on your budget, fun activities for the family, you name it. Be sure to check those calendars, make sure you're not missing anything, and put stuff on your future weeks to come. If you don't have a planner, I do sell one for less than $20. I will link it down below, but feel free to use your control journal or even a sheet of paper. Whatever you have that is available to you and does not break the budget. Anyway, once we're finished planning, guess what we get to do? We get to play. That's right. Do something fun just for you, mama. Something that you've been looking forward to doing a long time. Anything from reading a book to starting a brand new hobby. But do make sure today you get some time to play. Wednesday on the Flylady plan, we have anti-procrastination. This is the day where you take something that has been bugging you or you have been procrastinating on and you get it done. No more excuses. We get it done today. A super tip for this is to write down a list of everything that is bugging you or everything that you have to do. No matter what it is, write it all down. So that way, when Wednesday comes, you don't have to spend your day wondering what is there to do. You can just look at the list and get it done. Not to mention, the faster you get this done, the more of the day you have left to do the things that you love the most. So let's not procrastinate on anti-procrastination day. Yeah, and I forgot. Classically, on the Flylady plan, this is the day we also clean our fridge. So if you're not in the habit of wiping down your fridge every single week, this might be a good one to get into. The first or second time might take a little bit of time, but before you know it, it would just be a quick wipe down every single week. Plus, this will help to prep you for Thursday's focus, which we're going to talk about next. But first, if you're enjoying this video so far, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, share this video with your loved ones if you feel like they could use it. Not to mention, with every share, like, comment, and subscribe, it helps to grow this channel. So thank you so much for all that you do, and let's get on with the daily focus. Next, we have Thursday. Thursday is errand day. Be sure that on planning day you have written down every single thing you need to do today, because today we're going to take Wednesday and run all of our errands. I know it might be difficult for moms of littles like myself, but let's try to get it done. When we do errand day 1 day a week, yes, we get to put our children in and out of the car seat, but think about it, it's just 1 day a week instead of going every single day to do a different set of errands. If this works for your family, you will be done with all your errands on 1 day. Time for a water break. Look at this ginormous water bottle. Isn't it cool? It's half a gallon. So if you fill it up twice, you're getting a whole entire gallon. It was pretty affordable too. I'll link it down below if you're interested. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a couple of cents if you do choose to support this channel, and it's absolutely free for you. But remember, as always, do not break your finances to get this or anything else. Next, we have Friday. This one is a super fun, quick, and short one, especially if you keep on top of it. This one is car, purse, and also date night. So really quickly, be sure to clear out your purse of any old receipts or anything in there that is not supposed to be in there, as well as your car. This is not a day for deep cleaning. You could do that on errand day, but at least make sure you shake out your bags and make sure that nothing is in there that is not supposed to be in there. If you vow to yourself to never leave anything in there, this will literally take seconds, and you will have the rest of your day to look forward for your date, because it's also date night. So whether it's with your hubby, your children, or yourself, be sure you have a super fun date planned for tonight. Just remember to stay within the budget and do not break the bank. There's loads of free dates that you can go on. My husband and I do have a date chart that we follow for date night due to our frugality as well as our small children. If you want some more ideas on some fun and frugal dates, let me know in the comments down below, and I will happily make a video like that for you. Also, let us know in the comments, what are your fun and frugal date ideas so that everybody may be able to enjoy those as well. Oh, you thought we were done? No way! Now it's time for Saturday, Family Fun Day. Remember on planning day where I told you to plan a fun activity for your family? Today is the day you get to do it. Do something that your family will enjoy and have lots of fun. You know your family dynamic and your age of your children's if you have. And just plan something that makes sense for you and your family to do. It's Family Fun Day, so be sure to take it easy and have a lot of fun. Next, we have Sunday. Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day, whatever that may mean for you. If you're a Christian like me, maybe you're going to church or reading the Bible, spending time in prayer and worship, but feel free to swap this one for Saturdays if you worship on Saturdays. And just taking it easy. You can even have a self-relaxation day this fall. Anything that will recharge you up for the next week to come. This is also a soft and mellow day to do something that is fun and relaxing and most of all fulfilling. Anything that helps to renew your spirit today. These daily focuses will help to streamline your entire life, so be sure to implement them. If you have to switch some days around, then feel free to do it. It's your home after all, and you're the one managing it. However, do not reinvent the wheel. Choose each of these 7 days and swap them out accordingly. But do make sure you include each and every one, because they're all equally important. Now, if you want to know how to start the Flylady system, check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.